Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, whenever we buy in real estate, be it our primary residence or an investment property, we have to do certain checks. A lot of you hire a realtor, and I do understand your expectations could be really high, and many realtors achieve it, no doubt. So I'm not gonna go after any individual realtor, but I would like to warn you that some checks you have to do at your side too. So let's see this post that I found on one of the Facebook groups I'm part of. So basically, this guy purchased a condo and went through all the appliances. During the show, and turned them on and checked if they were working or not. Okay, so they were working. However, to their surprise, the dryer that was installed was based on gas line, and it was just turned on but not working because there was no gas line in the condominium building. He even checked it with a technician. Now let me tell you one thing that I had gone through myself too. So last year my refrigerator was broken down. Okay, I had called for the service, and when the service technician arrived, when he checked and when we checked with the serial number, this was manufactured back in 2012. Okay, so definitely in 2019, when I had purchased the house, I was told new appliances. It was not new at all. So without going to individual case, I would suggest one thing to all of you guys, that heavy appliances like your refrigerator, dishwasher, washer and dryer, and anything else that are included as part of your house purchase, when you do the viewing, you can take the permission from the owner also. Okay, because that will give you a clear indication without like harming anything. You can note down the serial numbers, okay, of these appliances, make, uh, model, etc., anything, and you can check with the company about when they were made by simply calling their customer care, or for many brands you can even check it online without bothering anyone. So if you do that, you have peace of mind plus clarity. Okay, and from this particular case, one thing is important that we should understand, that we should also check for the lines, like e- uh, that will identified by you. Like when you check online for a particular model, you will find out it is based on gas or electricity, and then you can ask your realtor, or you can verify through the papers that uh, does your property have a gas line, or whatever. Okay, so with this check you can always protect yourself and your interest. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, and thank you.